Ladies and gentlemen, today, let's delve into the wonderful world of chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla, plant renowned for its myriad benefits and uses. Chamomile is celebrated for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable addition to any garden or home remedy kit. Chamomile is commonly used to treat insomnia, providing a natural and gentle solution for those struggling with sleep issues. It also aids in alleviating digestive problems and can be applied topically to soothe skin conditions. This versatile herb requires moderate watering, ideally once a week, ensuring it thrives without being overwatered. Chamomile flourishes best in the spring and fall, and its flowers are ready for harvest when they are fully open. It prefers well-drained, sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 6.0 and 8.0. Optimal growth: chamomile needs full sun to partial shade. This means it should receive about 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily, with some protection during the hottest part of the day if necessary. In addition to its general uses, chamomile boasts several specific medicinal benefits. It can help reduce menstrual pain, treat cold symptoms, and even improve cardiovascular health. Moreover, chamomile tea is a popular remedy for reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. So, why not bring the calming essence of chamomile into your life? Discover tranquility in every petal with our premium chamomile, your natural remedy for a peaceful mind and a healthy body. Embrace the healing power of chamomile and enjoy the myriad benefits it brings to your daily routine. Thank you. Well, this is SMF, botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.